everyone, I am Asutosh Sahu. I study in 5th B of Educon International School. Today I am going to show you an experiment on why a ship having tons of weight floats on the water, whereas a small piece of iron sinks in water. The things to perform this activity are an iron rod, a metal pot, a bucket of water, and a weighing balance, which is a spring balance. So now I am going to tell you the steps to perform this activity. Take the metal rod and measure its weight by using the spring balance. We see that the weight of the iron rod is 150 grams. So now take the iron rod and keep it and measure the weight of the metal pot. We see that the weight of the metal pot is 330 grams. Now take the iron rod and place it in the bucket of water. We see that the iron rod has sunk. Now take the metal pot and place it on the water. We see that the metal pot is floating. Observation. We saw that a metal pot having more weight than an iron rod is floating, whereas an iron rod which has less weight than a metal pot has sunk. This happened because of the buoyant force. Buoyant force is a force that gives upward thrust from the water on the surface of the object which touches water. Conclusion. Buoyant force is present in water and the ships use this buoyant force to travel and float on the water to go to long distances. Thank you.